Jesly Domingo Bansag and Marifort Andam Casibang possess all the qualifications and none of the disqualifications. By asking question to Jesly Domingo Bansag, Mr. Jesly Domingo Bansag, did you come here on your own free will to bind yourself with Marifort Andam Casibang to be her husband?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you swear before us and before this Bible and do you swear that you will remain faithful to her forever? Marifort Andam Casibang, did you come here on your own free will to bind yourself to be Jesly Domingo Bansag's wife? Do you swear to perform all your duties and responsibilities as his wife? Do you swear to remain faithful to him? Government code, I now pronounce you husband and wife.
Even his witnesses accepted. And I have conditional love, Devin and Carmina, especially you are too far away from each other. Yan isa kang na rin yung lugar, yan isa kanya lugar siya.
It's very inevitable that we encounter problems in life, especially marital problems. But always put God in the center and you will handle all those problems. So,
Sasabi ko po, sana'y magmamahalan sila at magkakaanak na sila.
Bakit wala ka pang apo? Ngayon, magkakaapo ka pala.
excuse me.
Just wait and ma-report sa magmamahalan ko yung dalawa. Yan na.
Di may bala na dahil yes, biging malpot. Agin na yak yung agwa. Nung sistala mo yung talagang kuwangin nga may kwak ka. Baka maggumot ka sa mga tarak pa yung medyo isa.
Yes, di. And Marifort, pagmahalan ko yun. Respeta na ba yung mga hindi tayo makaisip.
So ang tanong kay Jesly, dalawa lang. What do you want? Take charge or to be discharged? Take charge.
Is always the home at the best. Isa lang ang pinakasalang so, yan ha. So, congratulations for Marifort and Jesly and